Hi Simple Life Ministry, Lorna here, back at you with another video. So today I am going to continue with the planting series. So I want to show you now how I make my plantain flour. So here I use the green plantain. Here is some other plantains, and I like to keep them on until they ripe naturally. If you want a green plantain and you don't want it to get ripe too fast, just stick it in the fridge and it will stay green for 2 to 3 days until you are ready for it, and that will stop the ripening process. But it yeah, so that's what I want to say about that. Okay, so this one now hasn't been ripe enough as these, so I'm gonna hurry up and do this before it gets ripe, because I need the green plantain to do this. Sorry about I have a puppy here, and the puppy is chewing on my toe and it's causing me to not think properly. So the way I peel the plantain is I try to go in to all the little marks, and I do this, so that way it will be easier to get it apart. So see, it just, because I mark it at those points, it allows it to come off much quicker. See, and there I have it. Okay, he's biting my toes. So you go ahead now and you look if there's any little green spot, and you just take them off nicely like that. So now I already grated these to show you. I went ahead, and you don't want to use the fine side of the grater. I just use this part and just go in. So I take a note of what the benefits of plantains are. It gives you magnesium, potassium, it's high in fiber, it's high in vitamin C, it is good, it lowers blood pressure, it is a fruit, and it's quite similar to the ripe banana. The difference is that it is not as sweet as the ripe banana, and it is more starchy. So, but it's very authentic. You know, it's very popular in America, and it's in the stores in Canada, but it's very, like, I have some even on my farm. I have quite a few plantains coming up. I can't wait to reap those myself. So you just go ahead and do this, and there you have it. You have it like in shreds. So now we're going to dehydrate this, but I find that being here in Jamaica and it's so sunny, I use up the sunshine, so I don't need to plug in the dehydrator, which my husband is very happy about that, because he can see a difference in the bill, in the light bill. So I just put this now, let me show you now, let's take this away. And so this is I just put it in a baking sheet like this, and I put the mesh, or a thin curtain, this is a thin curtain, over it, and put it on the hottest part outside in the sun. And see, it's very crispy. So see, you can hear it. Yeah, so just like that, and then you just take a spatula and just, you know, move it around to make sure everything gets nice and dry. And now I'm going to blend. So let's do it here. Okay. You can also oil your hands, like how you see me do the bananas. You can oil your hands before you peel, but I find that the plantain is not as starchy as the banana when I'm peeling it. It's not as tangy, I should say, as the banana. So I didn't bother to oil my hands this time. Okay. So with this one now, Simple Life, I'm just gonna put it like this and put it outside to dry. I was so excited to know. I was like, wow, free energy, you know, dry under the sun. I don't have to, you know, use up the current. I was so happy, you know, and thankful to God for His goodness and the fact that I can do these things, you know, with one of His 8 laws of health. So this now I just go like this and just put it in the sun. And that's it. When I come back, I just spin it over and let it stay until it becomes as dry as chips. Okay. Now to continue with the flour. This is a lot, so I'm hoping that it's going to work. Back here, Simple Life, and just check on it to see, but to see if you need to shove it down. But it's oh my word, you know, this is the first I'm doing this, so I am surprised myself. It's flour. It's definitely flour. So it worked. 1 second. Oops, let me just, I thought I would have to shove it down and blend, but in no time it becomes flour. Okay, so I will come back with another video. So here, you know, I like to show the steps. So the first I had the plantain, and then I showed you how I grate the plantains. I grate it to become this, and then I dry it, and then we have plantain flour, gluten-free plantain flour. So this is it, nice and simple as my name suggests. So Simple Life, thank you for watching. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for your support. Please remember to like this video, to share it, to subscribe, and if you haven't done so. And let me know whatever comments or suggestions you have down below. Thanks again and have a blessed day. Bye for now.